My friends, today we're gonna get technical again. In fact, I wanna get technical. Okay, I'm not gonna do that to you. I did that during the factory tour, actually. So if you saw that, I'm sorry. If you saw this, I'm sorry. But I got Mario here with me today. He said it. He made me promise I would not sing, even though I like to get technical. Today we're getting technical. Today we're talking about one clamp, everything you can do in one clamp, and the fact that the price point is phenomenally below what you might see in other places. Here at Ziersch, we have Mario, we have this machine, and I'm ready to talk about it. Are you ready to learn about it? Yes, maybe? I hope so. I hope so. We're talking about it. Mario, let's talk about this machine, what you're capable of doing. And I know some unique differences are here about swiveling, clamping, some of where you're cleaning the part. I mean, you know far more than I do. Thank goodness for everyone watching, a lot more. So let's talk a little bit about how this machine is unique and some of the capabilities it can offer everyone watching.
Yes, sir. So, for example, if you have a part like this, you have maybe two straight areas, one cone, one or two surface. This we can do in one clamping on our machine.
And normally if we're gonna clamp this, we're gonna spend a lot of money on a machine, and you are very unique in the sense that you say we're gonna make this happen, we're gonna make it precise, and we're also gonna make it affordable because this is a unique situation here.
Absolutely correct. In the older times, for this part you need a lot of time to accurate, mostly for the angle like here. And in our machines we can do it with the software, very easy. And then for this, no need to be a professionalist, because the software helps you. We can have a closer look if you want.
Absolutely. I always want to have that's what these technical videos are for.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You know, you have the possibility with swiveling the table, then you can also grind a conus. But with our software, we have the straight wheel head. And with this straight wheel head and also the dresser, you can see it on the left side, on the base mounted. Maybe we can have a closer look over there.
Can we walk over there and take a look? Let's show the audience what we're talking about. Yeah. When we talk about dressing a machine, why do you have it over here on the side? And let's get the camera right in here to take a look. Why does it sit there?
For two reasons. First of all, this solution is out of every collision of the part. And now it's no additional access, no nothing. And this is it's mounted on the machine base, not on the table, not on the workhead, on the machine base. So if necessary to swivel the machine table to grinding an angle or something like that, you still have your dressing. The zero position is not moving with the dresser. It's on the same position than with a straight table, okay?
That does make a lot of sense. I'm not sure why I don't see that more often, Mario.
Yeah. In our opinion, it makes the most sense.
Yeah, I would agree with your opinion.
Yeah,
for sure. So something else I was seeing when this machine was moving a little bit earlier was something about it not swiveling here.
No, because this would be very, let's say, expensive. Because for this you need a B-axis. Mm-hmm. We call it B-axis. You need a very accurate hilt coupling and hydrostatics, something like that. And this increases the price, and this we don't want to have. Okay? We go the way to dress. So we dress the wheel with the same angle like we need on the part. And this also with two direct measurement systems from Heidenhain. So it's the same like on the surface grinding machine. With the axis we are grinding, we do also the dressing. For the accuracy, I don't know if there's anything else.
It seems like, again, I've said this in several of our other videos together, because you've been doing this since 1974. It's a third generation family owned and operated company. Yeah. And I've seen what it looked like in the 80s and what it's turned into till now. So many advancements, and I can only imagine what happens decade after decade after decade, and focusing on constant evolution of the machine.
Yeah. And every time I have to say, we do this with a PLC, not with a very complex full CNC, where you need a lot of training and a lot of hours for programming. No, just easy. Just with two hand wheels, one software, job done.
I've said this before, it seems too good to be true, but
Yeah.
it is actually true, which is the best part about it.
Absolutely.
Standardization is something very key here, isn't it?
It is, absolutely. It's a big key point in this company.
And not just for operation. And I heard this rumor, Mario, correct me where I'm wrong, but I heard a rumor that it's 2 days of training. You can take a milling, you can take turning, you can run this machine as well. You can have all three even in the same department if you want to, if you're thinking, you know, R&D or something like that. And not only that, but the ability for service to be able to come out and take care of every component is lesser downtime if I do make a mistake on the machine. Because everything is standardized.
Everything is standardized. We have it on stock. We can ship out on the same day, and if necessary, the customer have the part on the next day. In Germany, also the service technician can arrive at the factory next day in the morning and can fix the machine, because there's nothing worse than a standing machine.
Yeah, you're exactly right about that. I don't want to talk about price, but I do want to talk about price in the sense of, trust me, give these guys a call, go to the website, give it a look. I'm not going to give you a number. Numbers change all the time. But whatever you're thinking in your head, it's probably less than that. And you're getting all the attributes you need in order for this thing to run from the day it hits your floor without spending a fortune to get it done. Mario, thank you again. Thank you for being technical. Thank you for educating me.
Thanks for being here.
Educating them. And I'll come back anytime if I'm invited.
I hope.
Thank you so much. You're invited back as well. And thank you so much.
Thank you.